Attaching files to a goal is really easy. You can actually drop them right into the notes area. Open your file browser and just pick a file. In this case, it's an image, and drop it into the notes. It will upload and be visible right inside the notes area. Let's try another file. Let's use this PDF here and drop that into the notes. The PDF uploads and is visible now as a placeholder in the notes. And you can do the same with any kind of file, like this Excel spreadsheet that uploads. Note that these files are not only visible in the notes now, they're also visible in the file browser, where you can manage them, you can preview them, or you can permanently delete them. Let's do that from the notes area first though. So this image, which is inside the notes, if I click on it, I can also preview it full screen, which is great for presentations. You can use images and present details that way. Or you can preview a PDF, click on the PDF placeholder here and open it as a preview. You can scroll through the PDF, or if you click on it, you can also download it straight from the notes. And the same applies for the Excel spreadsheet. Note there's no preview for Excel or any other file except PDFs and images, but you can download them anytime. Note that when you delete files in the file browser, let's delete all 3 of those, they will still be present in your notes area because they're cached. If you want to get rid of them there as well, after reload, those links are still visible and you can't download them anymore or preview them anymore. You want to clean that up by highlighting those placeholders and deleting them. Note that you can also upload files in bulk. Let's do that. Let's grab these 3 files, drop them into your goal, and all 3 are appearing at once. And now you can go to the notes area and pick files that are attached to this goal through the file browser. It says Insert Files down here. And you can select one or a number of attachments in the file browser, or add a new file via this file browser as well if you don't want to drag and drop. Now let's add the PDF and key visual. Put that in here. Or you can use the file browser and simply click on the file name and it will be added to your notes. We think this is a super versatile way of using attachments, enriching your goals with all sorts of information. Make sure that when you delete files, you need to delete them from your file browser tab and also the placeholder in the notes. We hope you enjoy this feature. Let us know what you think.